right, news break just coming in right now. The Uttar Pradesh police has claimed the Hathras victim wasn't raped. UP ADG on Hathras case says forensic report clarifies no rape with victim. The ADG says no sperm found in victim's body. UP ADG also says conspiracy to create tension, action against those trying to spread misinformation. Well, that is the police's claim that the Hathras victim was not raped. I want to connect right now to my colleague. All right, let's listen in. Let's listen in to the reactions coming in.
जो विधि विज्ञान प्रयोगशाला की रिपोर्ट भी अब प्राप्त हो गई है, जिसमें यह स्पष्ट रूप से बताया गया है कि जो सैंपल एकत्रित किए गए थे उसमें किसी तरह का स्पर्म और शुक्राणु नहीं पाया गया है। इससे स्पष्ट होता है कि कुछ लोगों के द्वारा प्रदेश में गलत तरीके से जातीय तनाव पैदा करने के लिए इस तरह की चीज़ें कराई गईं और पुलिस ने शुरू से इसमें त्वरित कार्रवाई और तत्समय कार्रवाई की है।
Let's cut across both to my colleague Milan, who's joining us on the latest report which the Uttar Pradesh police is quoting, and Tanushri, who's joining us right now from Hathras. The FSL report, Milan, suggests that there was no rape, which would be evidence in a court of law. But having said that, so will be evidence, which is the dying declaration of the girl, where she says she was gang raped. So both of them will contend against each other now.
Yes, absolutely, Preeti, because she has given a statement in front of the magistrate that she was raped. However, the reports that we have accessed from the Safdarjung Hospital, as well as the FSL report that now ADG Prashant Kumar is speaking about, they both are ruling out rape, and as well as the fact that strangulation was attempted and she did have injuries on her neck through the ligature marks that have also been clearly pointed out in the Safdarjung report. However, the hospital is saying that that is not the cause of death, and which is why, as you said, yes, the claims of the FSL as well as the post-mortem report are going to contend and will be contrary to what the girl had said in her statement.
All right, stay with me. Let's cut across right now